One of the best uses I have found for ends of the bread. If you make your own bread, you know what I'm talking about. A lot of times the ends are smaller, and so I just make breadcrumbs. I've got in here the ends of one loaf of bread and a little bit extra that I didn't cut real well. And then this is another loaf. So I'm gonna just put this in here. I have to say, I don't know about measurements, it's up to you. This is probably about 6, 7, 8 slices of bread, about 8 slices. All I do is I sprinkle Italian seasoning. I don't measure, you don't need to. Just put in what you want. If you want other seasonings, we're making Italian style breadcrumbs. I like the blend, garlic, salt, and pepper, and that's it. Just blend it up. There you go. You've got breadcrumbs. Now, I like them toasted. If you're going to toast them, put them on a baking sheet lined with parchment to make it the easiest, because it's easy to fold up and then pour it in your jar. 300 degrees, about 30-35 minutes, somewhere around there, and you've got toasted breadcrumbs. And this, what I like about this is you're not wasting anything. I have the ends of the bread a lot of times, like, what am I gonna do with that? Besides give it to the Labrador. She loves to eat bread. This is what I do. Now, I store them in the freezer. I just put them in a mason jar, or if you have a Tupperware that you like, whatever. I like the jar because in my freezer here in the kitchen, it's got an extra drawer, and I can put it right on top, and I know right, where it is. I wouldn't keep this in the cupboard, especially if it's not toasted. It needs to be toasted. I'm just gonna leave it as is like this for now, because it's 103 degrees outside and I don't want to turn on my oven, but I'm out of breadcrumbs. Have a blessed day. My name's Michelle, the Common Sense Grandma. Bye.